Good morning students, how are you all? I hope that you all are fine and staying at your home. So today I am going to teach you English of class LKG. As our previous video we have done cursive alphabets A to H, and today I am going to teach you how to write small cursive alphabet G. So G for gun, G for grapes, G for girls. So now I'm going to teach you the very simple way by which you can write small cursive alphabet G. First of all, you must know that the G alphabet, this small cursive G, it is written in 3 lines only, second to fourth line. As just count the lines 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is second line, and second to fourth line you have to write alphabet G. This is very simple way if you know how to write C. If you know how to write C, then you have to take the curve here and join it, then a standing line and a tail. This is not written beautiful. Let me show you once again. So this is small cursive G. You have to write A first of all, and this is the way you can write small cursive alphabet G. सबसे पहले हम ए बनाएंगे इस तरीके से, इसको नीचे तक लाएंगे और हम इसकी टेल जो है पूंछ को यहाँ तक निकाल देंगे. सो व्हाट इज़ दिस? दिस इज़ स्मॉल कर्सिव अल्फ़ाबेट जी. अगेन देखिए, अगर आपको सी से बनाना है तो पहले आपने सी बनाया, एक सीधा डंडा खींचा और इसको आपने इस तरीके से लिख दिया. अगर आपको ए ड्रॉ करना, ए राइट करना अच्छे से आता है तो आपने सबसे पहले ए लिखा, नीचे आया और इसको इस तरीके से कर दिया. और अगर आपको कुछ भी आपको इसमें से इजी नहीं लग रहा है तो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू राइट लाइक दिस. नीचे आके इसको यहाँ तक टेल हमने बना दी. सो दिस इज स्मॉल कर्सिव अल्फ़ाबेट जी. आई होप दैट नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू राइट स्मॉल कर्सिव अल्फ़ाबेट जी. नाउ फॉर रिकग्निशन आई हैव प्रिपेयर्ड अ क्वेश्चन फॉर यू. You have to circle the alphabet G, but what the different way we are adopting, we are going to draw a circle from crayon colors, right? So I am having crayons with me. This is alphabet A, this is G, so we will circle it. C, E, this is again G for grapes, so I circled it. A for apple, C for cat, E for elephant. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat and G for gun. E for elephant, A for apple, G for gun, G for grapes. Here it is. B for ball. Again G for grapes. So we will circle it. A, E and C. So this is the way by which we can learn the recognition of alphabets. So now next, again I have prepared a worksheet for you. In this you can see here are alphabets A to G, small cursive alphabets. Here the space is given on which you have to write how will we write the particular alphabet in English capital alphabets, right? And then we are going to circle, recognize particular alphabet and circle here. अब हमें क्या करना है, यहाँ पर कर्सिव अल्फ़ाबेट्स लिखे हुए हैं, यहाँ पर हमें उन्हीं को कैपिटल लेटर में किस तरीके से लिखते हैं वो लिखेंगे, और यहाँ पे हम उसको ढूंढ के सर्कल करेंगे. लाइक दिस इज़ ए, सो वी विल राइट हियर कैपिटल ए, एंड इन दिस लाइन वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट स्मॉल कर्सिव alphabet A and circle it like B, A. So this is A. What is this? B. So B will be written like this. You all know, like you all are grown up children now. You have done previously this in class nursery, and now you are in LKG, so you all know. So what is this? This is small cursive B, and this, in this way you can write it capital alphabet B, and you have to find small cursive B in this line, and you have to circle this. So this is easily seen that this is small cursive alphabet B. Here it is written C. C for cat, C for cup, C for clock. So this is A, small e, and this is C. Next, D for dog. So you can write this way. A for apple, C for cat, and D for dog. Right? Next, E for elephant. So this is the way you can write capital E, F, E. So you will circle this particular alphabet. Now this is F. So F is written like this in capital letters, and F you can match and you can circle. This is this is small cursive G. We have learned today only how to write small cursive G. We will write here capital G. Then we will find out small cursive and we will circle this. So this is the way we had done some fun with cursive letters. And next, what I have prepared, these are 4 pictures, and we have to write small cursive alphabets of the concerned picture, right? This is A for apple, so we will write here small a. This is B for ball, and we will write here B. This is C for C for cake, and this is E for egg. So this is the way you have done the worksheet. I hope that you all like it and understand this. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.